Hello my besties and amores, welcome back to another episode of Painting with TSMA Epagelia, and you are watching the official YouTube channel of the Sexy Music Assassins. Alright, and we are gonna do this Painting with TSMA Epagelia. So before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button, like and share, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe also. Please follow all my TSMA family on smule.com. They're all amazing singers. Please start following all the citizens of the TSMA or the Sexy Music Assassins, down to all the administration of the TSMA. Alright, so before we start, look at this Diet Pepsi. Don't forget to buy, alright? And also, let's start this painting with this refreshing Diet Pepsi. Don't worry, I washed this one. Cheers. Alright, so grab yours now today, alright? And let's start painting. So what we are going to do here is, have you heard about kiss pour? By the word kiss, what does it mean? It means mwah. Alright, so let's do that. Also, don't forget to buy McDonald's, alright? This is courtesy of McDonald's. I'm using their cups. Look at this. Look, McDonald's. And again, McDonald's. This is the Mac Cafe. So this is what we are going to use. So if you want to know what materials we use, we are using this creative inspirations that I included, alright, in the description below. So I added some links, alright, and search for the creative inspirations. And also this acrylic artist loft. Here we go. Artist loft. And the creative inspirations. Again, I added the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's start. Alright my besties, so pick your colors, alright? So you have to combine your paints with your chosen pouring medium and paint additives. I use Flovetrol on this painting tutorial, alright, as my additive. So mixing each color in a separate cup. Divide the paint between 2 cups, alright, and then you can choose 4 to 5 colors or any, alright, and then fill each cup with half the amount you need for your canvas size. Look what I did on here. And then it's ideal to use contrasting colors. So what I did here, you have to fill 1 cup with dark colors and the other with light colors. So using a small amounts of many colors is better than using large amounts of fewer colors. So remember that the first color you add to the cups will be the last color you pour out. So holding a cup in each hand, slowly pour them simultaneously, ensuring the paints touch or kiss midstream. Continue in this fashion until both cups are empty. So what we did here, we slowly tilt the canvas in a circular motion to cover the canvas with paint. Then the paint will begin to drip off the sides as you tilt. So to cover the corners, tilt directly toward each corner. Then remember to move slowly. You do not want too much paint to run off the canvas or you may lose your design. See, what I did here was I did the kiss pour technique. Then I decided to go ahead and use that kissed design as my background. There you go. But if you are satisfied with the kiss pour, then just go ahead and have a design like this. Just leave it the way it is, just like that design. If you are already satisfied with your designs, as you can see here. Now we are going to add. But I realized I want more, so I added black color as my base color for the design twist. And then I'll add the gold color. There you go. But if you are satisfied already with the first design, then just leave it the way it is. And just don't do anything with it. But me, I always love to like change the design, the original design, and make it to a real abstract. And I will stop until I'm satisfied. So here I use black, gold, yellow, and then red. Alright, to match with the original design. Now get ready with your balloon. Alright, after this phthalo blue color, so don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Alright, there you go. Now get your balloon. Get your balloon. Alright, there you go. I just want to add some effects. And then when I'm done with it, I realize that it's like it's lacking some design. So what I did was I got my palette knife. Alright, there you go. I wasn't satisfied with just the balloon dip. So just look at what I did on here, because you can always change your designs until you are satisfied with it. There you go. So just push and drag it. Push and drag. That looks like a wolf. Alrighty. Just remember to move slowly. Alright. Okay, now I'm using my palette knife here. There you go. I'm trying to create foliages here on this painting tutorial. Alrighty. I like that. So I suggest that you can always mix those techniques. Alright, if you are not satisfied with your designs, always mix the techniques. Like the balloon kiss, you know. Balloon deep pour, the kiss pour. Or you can use your palette knife. There you go. And I guarantee you that you will be satisfied with your abstract designs later on when it's already dry. As you can see the designs, you will realize that your inner artist will come out simultaneously, like normal. It will just come out, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. Just don't be afraid, alright? And if you think like you messed up the paint, don't think that way. You know, think of it like what Bob Ross said. It's a happy accident. And painting should be like that all the time. It should be fun. Like, don't think like, oh, I failed because I messed up. No, don't do that. Don't say that also. This shouldn't stop you from doing what you love, and just practice. Always practice. If possible, practice every day, every single day. This way you can release your stress too. If you're stressed from work, you can always paint or sing or whatever. If you want to cook, eat. Alright? And if you are new watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share and like, comment below, and please subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching the Sexy Music Assassins YouTube channel. I will see you all next time. So this is the twist, a kiss with a twist. I hope you like this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment below. Love you all so much, and God bless you all. Mwah. Take care.